How to connect the outdoor ground lights to your app.
1. Please download the Tuya app. 2. Please register your account. Please read the following tips carefully. 3. Please follow the instructions to add your device. 4. Please turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth at the same time. Remember to select a 2.4 GHz network.
There are 3 ways to pair your phone with your products.
Method 1. Please press and hold the controller power button for about 5 seconds, then you will see the red light start flashing, so you have entered pairing mode. Method 2. Please press and hold the on button on the remote control for about 5 seconds. After the red light starts flashing, you can configure the network. Method 3. Please tap on Add Device. Select Lighting and Strip Lights, BLE plus Wi-Fi. Tap Next. Tap Next. Check the circle and choose Next. Five. Input your Wi-Fi password and wait seconds to pair.